We've had some clearing in places this afternoon. Greatest amount, at least right now, is in our northwestern counties. And beyond that, there's quite a bit of clearing in Illinois. So a clearing trend this evening. Temperatures will fall below freezing with some frost forming, a little patchy to areas of freezing fog developing as well. And then this little system out in the Dakotas passes through very early tomorrow morning and right through tomorrow. But all the really deep moisture is going to stay down here in the south, so we won't have any big heavy rain to worry about with that. This big storm here is the one to watch that dives into the Pacific Northwest, picks up all this deep tropical moisture in the Pacific, and brings us a little snow, ice, and then a pretty good soaking rain getting into Friday and Saturday. So that may bump up rivers once again. So a little scattered rain with some fog around tomorrow morning. Now, a little bit of that rain, maybe a little freezing rain before 7 or 8 o'clock. And watch for reduced visibility in places, 40 at that point. A high tomorrow right around 50, but we're going to fall late in the day. And after a little isolated rain at 1, it becomes more numerous, scattered as the cold front comes through late afternoon and evening. And the winds pick up, strong winds gusting more than 30 miles an hour by tomorrow evening. A cold but bright Thursday, a high of only 28, but a stiff northwest wind. Wind chill down to 4 at 7 o'clock in the morning, and then single digits to teens wind chills through the day. So here is late tonight, early tomorrow morning, some scattered rain and a little freezing rain around, and then just more isolated for a while tomorrow, and then it picks up a little bit more as the actual cold front comes through late in the day. We clear out, much colder tomorrow night, much colder Thursday. Clouds will be increasing Friday. We're going to go overcast by afternoon. This is 1 o'clock. This is 1:30. You can see the leading edge of the snow here in western Illinois. And snow should begin to come in late afternoon and into the evening. Then change over to a little sleet and freezing rain late evening. But note by around midnight, 1 o'clock, the rain is now coming into Lafayette. So it's changing to rain at that point, but still freezing rain and sleet in our northeastern counties. And everybody's in rain by 4:30 in the morning. It's all rain, breezy from the south at 9:30 Saturday morning. Then the rain tapers off, maybe briefly as a little bit of sleet and snow, and then perhaps some scattered snow showers coming in early next week. Note the temperatures, though. Here's tomorrow night, much colder. Watch what happens, though, getting into Friday. At 1 o'clock, we're upper 20s to right around 30. Same thing at 5, same thing at 10:30. But after 10:30, we warm up Friday night. So by 4 o'clock in the morning, early Saturday morning, we're running 33 to about 38. So temperatures rising Friday night, which is why the ice and snow will eventually change to rain. But there could be some accumulation before it changes to rain. We'll be able to fine-tune accumulation amounts here within the next day. But a lot of rain, 3/4 to more than 1.25 inches. And before everything kind of freezes up, what this may do is force rivers back above to get to minor flood stage after they fall just below flood stage. So the rivers drop below flood stage, but that rain and that liquid will push them back above it once we get into early next week. Because this is a pretty vigorous system here. 18 though on Sunday, much colder air comes in, coldest since December the 18th, and then some scattered snow showers on Tuesday. And that is a trend right into February. Colder than normal, but I also think it's going to get snowier than normal around here. We're going to pay for the mild weather we've had overall since Christmas.
Okay, Jed.